Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will be learning phrasal verbs with meanings and sentences. Fall apart. Fall apart. The old book fell apart when I opened it. Their marriage finally fell apart. Get along. Get along. Despite their differences, they managed to get along. I always get along well with my co-workers. Tear up. Tear up. She decided to tear up the old letter. The emotional ending of the movie made her tear up in the theater. Break in. Break in. Someone tried to break in our house in night. It's essential to secure your home to prevent break-ins. Turn in. Turn in. Please turn in your assignments by the end of the day. Police officers turn in the criminal to the authorities. Figure out. Figure out. It took a while to figure out the puzzle. Can you help me figure out this math problem? Fall for. Fall for. Many girls fall for him as he is so charming. I am surprised you fell for that trick. Put off. Put off. The meeting has been put off for a week. Don't put off completing important tasks. Get in. Get in. Hurry up and get in the car. Can you please get in line and wait for your turn? Get off. Get off. It's my stop. I need to get off the train here. Make sure to get off the bus at the next stop. Count on. Count on. I am counting on you to help me. I am very busy. Don't count on me. Teacup. Teacup. I decided to take up painting as my new hobby. Have you ever thought about taking up a musical instrument?